Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am showing you guys a unit by Alipearl, 30 inches long. Obsessed with this unit. I'm showing you guys what this lace looks like before I install it and what the lace looked like before I plucked it. So this right here is not plucked. This is straight out the packaging. I did pluck this lace off camera. You guys are going to see how nice it looks. This is slightly pre-plucked for you with a little bit of baby hair already straight out the package, as you guys can see. This is a 13 by 4 room of lace, a lot of room of lace. You get 2 combs in the front of the unit, and in the back of the unit you get 1 comb with your adjustable straps. Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. As by the title, you guys already know what this video is about, and I am reviewing this wig here, which is the Alipearl unit, and it's super long, like super long. This is 30 inches long and 200 density. Now I'm showing you guys it's on the wig head right now because I have already plucked this unit. So I showed in the beginning how the wig looked without it being plucked, and I had already pre-plucked the unit to make it look a tad bit more natural for me, and I have already plucked my parting. So now it's time for the install and for you guys to see it on me. I did flat iron this unit already. It did come nice and straight, but I need to flat iron it just a little bit more, so I did that off camera. I did say this wig is 200 density. I meant 250 density, so it's super full, like mega full. Like, we love full hair, and this is a 250 density. And I love how the fact that this hair is super long and not thin on the end. So I will talk about more of the wig once it's on my head. So let me just go ahead and install it. So I have already cut the lace off too as well. I gotta cut the extra lace on the end, but I did cut the lace, a lot of the lace already off. So now, since this unit is basically transparent lace, I believe, I'm going to put a little bit of foundation inside of this because it needs to look realistic. It's not bleached, the knots are not bleached, so this is just an extra step that I do. So as you guys can see, I put foundation where the part is at too, inside of it, not on top. So I'll just put it inside where the part is at, and I put it all over the hairline area because we need that to look like scalp. Okay, so now that that's completed, we can move on to the next step. Now I have did the wig cap method, and I put an extra cap on just to lay down my hair super flat. Yeah, so I probably have to cut just a little bit more lace off. I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to do that. But for now, I'm going to stand on and see how far I need to cut. And I think it's perfect where it is cut. So, yeah. Now this hair is super long. So as you guys can see, it's long. Whew. I'm using Tresemme Mega Firm Control Freeze Hold Spray. I've talked about this plenty of times in my videos, and if you are new to my channel, I love using this spray. It's kind of similar to the Got To Be. I used to use the Got To Be, but I kind of like, I'm off the Got To Be spray now because this one is like better to me. With Got To Be spray, it kind of like it's messy and it sprays everywhere. I like how this spray bottle is. It kind of just goes straight on where I need the spray to be and not just spray everywhere, you know. So, and I honestly did not think that it was gonna work for gluing down my lace, but it actually works. Like, this is basically a spritz to hold your curls or whatever you need to be holding in place. But I'm like, okay, let me try to lay down my lace with it, and it definitely works. So I've been using it ever since. So I'm just gonna spray this, and it's super quick and easy, and it just sprays right on the area that I need to be sprayed. All right, you guys, you can watch me while I lay this down. I'm using my blow dryer on cool. Only use cool because you will have a difficult time laying down your lace if it's on heat. It's just gonna move around and not get dry. So use cool when you're drying your lace. Just quickly, one thing I wanted to say is my lace looks really good. One thing that I've noticed though is that my wig cap under my wig is kind of folding back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see it, and it was kind of irking me. But I couldn't do anything about it because my lace was already like glued down. So just make sure when you're applying your wig that your cap doesn't roll back. Like sometimes when you apply your wig down and you apply the glue and you're applying the wig, sometimes the wig cap can move. So hopefully I'm making a little bit of sense with that. So just make sure that the wig cap doesn't move and it's flat down so that you can have a seamless looking smooth lace like scalp. Y'all, this lace looks so good. I like the fact that this lace is thin, and when I say thin, I mean like this, it's thin. And I like that because it melts down way more better than a thick lace. Like some laces come thin, some come thicker. It's all different type of laces, and since I've been wearing these lace wigs, I've seen the difference between all type of different laces and how well they work. So I definitely really love this lace a lot. I was hoping that it come like this, and it does. So great lace. And I'm just cutting the extra lace that I don't need off. And you guys see me use a little bit of this too as well. This is my favorite oil to use on my hair, and I'll leave the link down below where you can get it. I always pick it up from either Ulta Beauty or Target, and it's just so good for giving your hair that nice shine that it needs. And I'm using a little bit of my spray right here. Now the next step that I am going to do is put down a little bit of powder in my part so you guys can see that. This hair is super long, like long. I'm putting in this powder right here from Maybelline Fit Me, the Matte Plus Poreless powder in the Toffee 330. Put a little bit of this powder right down the middle. As you guys can see that, it looks a lot more better. This is optional, and I just put a little bit right there in the corners. I like using this Tresemme spray. It helps from anti-freeze, detangling, shine, softens, untames, flyaways. So this is a heat protection. I love using this when I'm curling and really flat ironing my hair, because you know when you flat iron your hair so much, you need something to protect from the heat, because like from heat damage. So I like to just spray this on here, and it smells so good. I'll leave all of the products that I'm using down below, just in case you guys want to try it too. And it just really flattens the hair. And I have the Tresemme Extra Firm Control Extra Hold Mousse. Now I've already laid this wig down with the mousse on the wig head. Now this hair is super soft too as well. Like, I don't get any tangles. Like, I really was just rubbing my hands through it on my wig head and I wasn't getting no tangles. I'm still not getting no tangles now that I have the wig on at all. I'm going to lay a little bit of my argan oil, some more of this, and they have a spray version too. I'm going to pick up a spray, but when I first started using this, I was using this version, and they do have the spray if you don't like the bottle like that. But I want to try the spray too as well. And it's so it makes your hair so silky and soft. Like, it's the best. So as you guys can see, it's nice and soft and just everything. So this is how long this hair is, you guys. And let me step back. I'm about 5'1", 5'2". So this is how it looks on me. It's like literally trying to stand far back as possible, like right here on me. So if I pull it back, so if I put my hair back, it will be under my butt cuff. Super long. Inches, honey, okay. I wanted to try the side part. I'm probably gonna try the side part like later on in the future with this wig. It is a 13x6 lace, so you definitely can party where you want to party. That's a good thing about this lace. So if you party to the side, it'll still give you as much party room. And yeah, so it's very versatile wig. Party where you want to party. If I wanted to pull this hair up, top knot, down in the back, I could. It's a lot you can do because the hair is long. So, and I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. I gave my honesty on it. And if you have any questions that I didn't say in this video, make sure you let me know down below and I will answer the questions. I love you, baby dolls. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video.